Hi guys, welcome back to our channel g3fashion.com, and today's video is inspired from how you can style one outfit in different ways. And I have got Komal here. Hi Komal.
Hi.
So she's going to be helping us out. As you can see, she is dressed in a bridal wear. So we will be showing you how you can reuse and restyle your bridal outfit. So I'll be showing you 3 to 4 different outfits, and I have a lehenga, and then I've got a party wear lehenga for brides, and I've also got a bridal sari. So we're going to see how you can reuse all that and restyle that. So if you're still new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button after watching the video if you do like it. So now let's move on to the video. So for the first style, if you've got a heavy lehenga choli like she's wearing, where your dupatta and your lehenga are heavy, you can transition both in different ways or together, and I'm going to tell you how. Either you can wear an anarkali of the same tone or a contrast over it to hide it and show the lehenga, or you can wear a slit kurta like I'm wearing. So what I'm going to do is give her a contrast and a pastel kind of kurta, and this is a Lucknowi kurta, so the embroidery is not so heavy, but it still matches the gota weaving of the lehenga, and also you can see the same color of gold. So let's see how this one works out. So this is what it's going to look like after you wear the kurta. This is the look, and what you can do is give her the same bridal dupatta on one side like this. So this will give you a sharara effect and a heavy look for a wedding, if it's your sister's wedding. If you think that this is still being a bit too heavy, you can also opt for a lightweight dupatta like this one. So let's see how this one goes. And this way you will tone it down a bit more than what your bridal lehenga look like. Again, we've already showed you how you can transition the lehenga. You can try different variations. You can even wear an anarkali over this, but remember it needs to be shorter than the lehenga because we still want to show your lehenga. So this is something you can try, or you can go with a kurta, which is even in plain silk. This will also give you a different look apart from the same type of styling. So the next look that we'll be transitioning is this bridal lehenga choli. It's in a white and red color, and it's perfect for reception parties or such parties that a bride would wear it. So here I'm going to show you how you can transition a heavy blouse like she's wearing, although you can still transition the lehenga with the same look we showed you just before with the contrast kurti or anarkali. So let's see how you can transition the blouse with this, and for that I'm going to pair it up with a sharara, but you can also use a palazzo, or you can even wear a plain lehenga. So here's the sharara. I've picked up almost the same color which matches the blouse, and you can see even the work style is almost the same in sequence. So here's what the sharara and the blouse looks like. You can again always wear a palazzo instead of this, but I want to style a sharara. And we're also going to use the same dupatta. Again, you can use a different dupatta. So what I've done is pleated it on one side. These are bigger pleats, and I'm going to just drape it like this on one side, and I'm going to attach a pin. And then what you'll do is take the end of the inner border and tuck it in your side waistline. Just like this. So this is a very easy way you can transition your heavy blouse and dupatta by pairing up a different sharara or palazzo. It gives you an Indo-Western look. Again, you can also use a belt on your waistline if you want to oomph it up. And another thing is you can again wear a plain lehenga with the same blouse and use a different dupatta for different looks of styling your blouse. And you can also wear a sari with the same blouse, again to reuse or restyle the same wedding blouse. So next I have this sari, which is a bridal sari, but it's not so heavy. Mostly the bride would prefer wearing this for different ceremonies of their wedding, including engagement. So what we can do is show you how you can restyle a heavy bridal sari like this in different ways. So the first way I want to show is how you can wear the same sari in a different way by pairing something different, and in another style will show you how to wear the sari with a lehenga. Now I'm going to use a plain lehenga which is totally contrast, or you can also go with a red or a gold lehenga. So now for this look, all we've done is given her a lehenga which is in contrast, and we've already draped the pallu of this in a normal navy style, and I've brought the sari back to this side where I've made skirt pleats, but I've left at least a meter or more. So what we're going to do is drape these pleats in the center and tuck them in like this, and finish up your side hip line as well. And now take that open edge and take the widthwise section here, and again you're going to make pleats on this section. So the border which is on the ground or which is lower here right at the bottom, you need to make sure that it comes on top, and then you can see all this is what we're going to be tucking in on this side like this. So this is what we've done, drape the sari in this way. So another way is to transition the whole sari into a lehenga. So you have to drape the sari on a petticoat like a lehenga, and you can pair on a different blouse that matches or the same blouse and a dupatta. So let's see how this one goes. So here's the look. We've draped the whole sari into a lehenga, and we've already got this style on our channel if you want to learn how you can drape the sari like this. Now all you need to do is match the dupatta with the sari and the blouse. So I'm going to use the same brocade blouse, and we've converted the whole sari into a lehenga choli look. So this is what it looks like. So that's all from us on how you can reuse and restyle your bridal wear, and we've given you different looks of lehengas and saris and also cholis or blouses. So I hope you get this useful, and if you do, write in the comments which was your favorite look, and also give this video a like if you liked the video. And also if you want to shop the collection, you can find Indian wedding wear on g3fashion.com, or you can also use G3 Plus video shopping service. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't.